God bless everyone. I'm here to report and let's tackle about improvisation in different art forms. So, have you ever tried answering a question at hand without any preparation at all? How does it feel? How did you come up with your thoughts under pressure? So, ang uban kay dili nila kaya mutubag sa mga question without preparation. And while others nahimo or nakahunaw na silang idea agad-agad. So if ang actor or actress tagaan og script and overview of the story and ask to act out of it at the scene without much preparation. So sa uban is she or he can make ad-lib and free siya nga buhaton or to perform to convey the message clearly. So this is improvisation. Nag-improvise ka when you act creatively and perform spontaneously without much preparation. So improvisation is the activity of making or doing something not planned beforehand using whatever can be found. Improvisation, also known as impro or impromptu, has been a component or performance since the beginnings of ancient Greek theatre, with the improvisation by the leaders of the Detrians and also were quite flexible and could easily be related to many different situations. So next is improvisation techniques. Number 1 is improvised music. Second is improvised dance. Third is improvised design. Fourth, improvised theater, drama. And the last one is improvised problem solving. First is improvised music. Some music in the theater, it can be voice, music, or sound effect. In most cases, ang sound sa theater nag-operates og auxiliary that heightens the effect or emphasize the message of the story. So, in music, improvisation means creating a musical composition on the spot by yourself or while playing with others. Second is improvised dance. So sa dance is na-create siyag movement, includes body mapping through levels, shape, and dynamic schema. So dance improvisation is spontaneously creating movement without pre-planning any steps or choreography. So ang dancers, it can move freely without relying on set movement patterns. And also the dancers may aim to create new original movement or to use familiar movements in unique ways. Third is improvised design. It has something to do with the visual arts. Nagamit og background of the entire milieu of the presentation. So this includes lighting, backdrop, props, and costumes. Fourth is improvised theater or drama. It involves the spot of role-playing and exchanging dialogue, in which most or all of what is performed is unplanned or unscripted. It also created spontaneously by the performers. So, in its purest form, ang dialogue, action, story, and characters are created collaborating sa ubang players as the improvisation unfolds in present time. Dili dapat paggamit og ready-made nga written script. Fifth is improvised problem solving. So, diri is ang performer mag-provide og on-the-spot dialogue, conversation as the situation, and interaction. Kini is medyo failure ang mag-perform sa stage pero mapangitaan Japon og pamaagi. So in table 1, juxtaposition of theater genres. Types, genres, comedy. So in properties, a kind of catharsis through laughter and amusement helps remind us of our frailties and helps keep us sane, a way of looking at the world in which basic values are arrested but natural laws suspended. To underscore human follies and foolishness, sometimes awry, awful, and hilarious. So an example niya is Home, I'm Darling by Laura Wade in 2018. Second is Fat Pig by Neil LaBute in 2004. Third is Love Me Hero by Kenneth Lonergan in 2001. Non-comedy. Sad onset but suggests a happy ending, serious with some elements of humor emerging throughout the whole play. So ang example niya is Enron by Lucy Prebble in 2009. Second is Love and Money by Dennis Kelly. Third, Wasted by Kate Tempest in 2012. Experimental. So sa experimental is nag-alter siya sa traditional convention of space, black box theater, theme, movement, mood, tension, language, symbolism, og conventional rules, and other elements. So ang example niya is The White War and the Belt, player by Brad Mays. Second is Faustus Incident 375 by Dominic Pagax in 2013. Third is The Coming Storm by M. Itchels in 2012. So, a different genre in dramatic, simplified characters drawn without psychological depth and larger than life. A largely standard one set of characters fitting stock roles such as villains, good guys, damsels in distress, sidekicks, and a handful others. So, implausible plot and contradictory, sudden, obviously contrived turns of events, tension and reliefs of Gordon 2017. So, ang example niya is number 1, Who's Afraid of Virginia? Second is Wolf by Edward Albee. Third, Dear Evan Hansen by Adam. Fourth, Feldman. Fifth is Hamilton by David Cott. In narrative base, catchy music in a popular style. So, solo songs, duets, choruses, and ensembles. Orchestra or band accompaniment, spoken dialogue, dances, sequences, stage spectacles, and magnificent costumes. So, ang example niya is ang Huling El Bimbo by Elle Buendia. 2 is American Utopia by David Burney. Third is Slave Play by Jeremy Harris.
Contact body improvisation. Ito ay isang magandang paraan upang mapayag ang sariling karanasan at emosyon sa pamamagitan ng kilos at galaw. 5 verbs. Flowing. Tumatalakay sa fluidity at kaginhawaan. It is the impulse to follow the flow of one energy, to be true to oneself, listen to attend to one need, be receptive one inner and outer world. When we open up to the flow of physical being, all other possibilities open. Ito ay nagbibigay daan sa pagtuklas sa kagandahan ng pagiging malambot at maliksi. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-immerse sa flowing frame, maaari mong eksplorahin ang kahusayan at pakiramdam ng pagiging sandali. Estiquito, is about precision and clarity. It is the gateway to be heard. It is show us how step out into the world connected to our feet and feelings. It is a part of us that stand up for we care about and who what we love. Ito ay nagbibigay din sa presisyon sa paglinaw at galaw. Ito ay isang rim na nagpapakita ng determinasyon at pagiging tiyak. Chaos explores, letting go and surrender. Chaos breaks us free from our illusions. It takes us on our journey from I can't to I will. The simple practice of chaos immediately brings us back to our bodies and the moment. Sa pamamagitan ng chaos, maaari mong maranasan ang kalayaan at pagpapakita ng iyong tunay na damdamin at pagiging bukas sa mga hindi maasahan. Lyrical is a harmonious expression. It is a passive, expansive and connects to us our humanity, timeless. Rhymes, reception, and pattern and cycles. Lyrical is more state of being than a rhyme. Ang lyrical ay nagbibigay daan sa paglabas ng emosyon at pagpapahayag ng kahulugan sa pamamagitan ng galaw at pagsasalita. Stillness. Focus on inner peace and reflection. Being still, doing nothing are different. Stillness moves both within all around us. The dance is our vehicle, our destination in the realm of stillness. Our challenge is to be a vessel that keep moving and changing. Ito ay tumutukoy sa pagtanggap sa katahimikan at kapangyarihan ng minimalismong pahayag. 5 rhymes map of Gabriel Roth, which he coins as medical mandala. Medicine mandala is a series of maps that explores the terrain and individuals, their relationship to other and the space around them. Ay isang konsepto na paggalaw na tumutukoy sa iba't ibang enerhiya at damdamin na maaaring may pahayag sa pamamagitan ng kilos at galaw. Sound improvisation. Individuals use their voice and different sound to create music or sound without following a plan or script. It is a way to express emotion and experience through creating music in the moment. Musical sound improvisation. Musical sound improvisation.
So let's continue to report. So improvisational theater first started its influences during the 16th, 17th, 18th century in Italy. Many scholars have debated over the origin of audience suggestion incorporated into improvisational performances. Some credit Dudley Ridge, while others attribute this character of games of Beulah falling during the 1490s. So, ang theater improvisation have already improvised body, contact, and music. There are two skills in theater improvisation that are two skills, dancing, singing, o pagtugtog ng mga instrumento in plain term. Being developed are very essential og adunay improvise nga lihok sa lawas og improvise nga mga music sa theater.
There are 5 distinctive approaches to improvisation by Karen Erickson. So first is basic performance improvisation. These types of improvisation is used to introduce improvisation to students or to create comedy sketches which will be performed for a formal or informal audience. Actors might pick suggestion from the audience to build humorous or very rarely serious scenes on the spot. So when we say basic performance improvisation, sa ganitong paraan ng improvisation, alamin ang mga panununtunan para sa pagkikipag-ugnayan sa isa ka grupo at sa isang proseso para sa paglikha ng mga maikling sketch na nangangailangan ng timing, pakikinig ng palabas sa television. For example, is like whose line it is anyway. So, kana siya pinasay sa example sa basic performance and improvisation. Number 2, device theater. So, device theater used to create longer works of original theater. This work can be used for classroom sharing or can do works for performance in front of an audience. So, ang device theater kuno is are actors guided by step through the process of creating more fully developed and usually more through dramatic pieces of land plays, sometimes even utilizing sets, lights, costumes, and etc. And the Albany Park Theater Project in Chicago has found great success in this form. Number 3, applied theater. So, these types of improvisation is not focused on entertainment but rather facilitates the explorations of an idea, then conflict or questions by a group of people. So applied theater means people who are trained or untrained in the arts can be participate in applied theater, and it happens in a variety of community settings. So ang applied theater is ang mga tao nga nabansay o wala pa nabansay sa mga theatrical. So pwede kaayo ka mo appeal sa theatrical para mabansay ka o para ma-tune ko ang ato ang skills sa theater. So ang theater naa siya sa lain-laing mga community ang theater like physical drama and social drama. So number 4, drama in the classroom or creative drama. Whenever students are acting a story without a script or making up their own stories based on history, science, or a favorite book, they are improvising. Teachers who engage students in drama in the classroom without having students memorize a set script are already teaching improvisation. So, drama in the classroom or creative drama. So, when we say drama in the classroom, for example, si teacher na siya ipagama nato nga role play sa school. So, dili na nato kailangan na magkalaog script sa dapat ang script. So, dapat nakapimerize na siya, nakapimerize na ba sa ato ang part, no, sa part nato sa role play or sa acting. So, dapat na-memorize na nato. So, dapat dili na ta magdala pa og mga script sa front sa stage. Number 5, improvisation as scripted theater rehearsal. So, dili na ako siya basta ko, no? So, dito na ako siya i-explain. So, when we say improvisational as scripted theater rehearsal. So, it is also a method of building skills in actors that might be needed to strengthen the production, including listening, spontaneity, and timing. Viola Spolian's work was intended for its this famous Filipino improvised theater titled Eto Na, Musical Na Po captured cultural dichotomy perfectly in figure 4. Director and writer Rudy Guevara weaves together a light yet heartwarming story that follows a barkada of 7 young college kids on their first day back at school. Gupupo 2019. Solving improvisation challenges. Improvisation is a skill that requires good thinking, creativity, wit, and elegance in response to the given situation in an instant. Human as we are, it is inevitable that we commit mistake in the middle of the presentation in some ways. Apart from it, our co-presenters may also commit mistakes. So, when we say solving improvisational challenges, the main point here is not only trying to deal with your own mistake, but also dealing with the mistakes of other presenters to build a smooth and spontaneous presentation on the stage, which is dim and invisible to the eyes of the spectator. To the eyes of the spectators. A. Identifying the pivotal word. So, identifying the pivotal words means ang mga mahalagang salita, ito ay nagpapahintulot sa may akda na kilalanin ang pagkakaroon ng iba pang mga pananaw o paniniwala maliban sa kanyang sarili. Ang mga salitang magkasanglungat na pananaw ay kadalasang ginagamit. For example, kanaang like, by the way, well, as a matter of fact, wait, anyway, I think, I am, rather, and I mean. So, mga nana ang mga ginagamit sa mga the pivotal word. B. Recovering language sensibility. So, language is the most concrete idea communicated in play, over, dance, and music. The use of language requires one to be sensitive enough when speaking, particularly in large, diverse audience. So, when we say recovering language sensibility, this use of language requires one to be sensitive enough when speaking, particularly in large, diverse audiences. Some language may give offenses to cultural minorities, gender, religions, physical challenges. Besides, you can be also of help if the other presenter when you talk to on stage comments such mistakes. C. Controlling the trouble steps. So, when we say controlling the trouble steps, it has something to do with body contact or in dance movement. In group psychogamy, dance in unison. Groups randomly but of different steps. Partner, dance in pair or individual dance alone. D. Going to the extreme. That trick is find a moment in the scene where you feel it is becoming forced, stale, or ineffective, and of the actors go to the opposite end of the spectrum, utilizing anew emotions, intensity, tempo, writing, space, and etc. So, when we see going to the extreme, so lastly, the art of improvisation sa entablado sa critical fashion ay hindi nangailangan ng maging perfecto sa mga mata ng manonood. Dahil ito ay improvise, alam ng lahat na hindi ito handa, ngunit inaasahan na ang ganitong mga hamon sa bawat nagtatanghal sa entablado. And that's all. Thank you.